Hey, noise battling champs! Tired of your neighbor's karaoke sneaking into your Zoom calls? Let's tackle common soundproofing mistakes with a chuckle and keep your space quieter than a ninja convention. Mistake 1, thinking egg cartons work. Those breakfast saviors. Terrible at blocking noise. Instead, seal gaps with acoustic panels and caulk, or weather stripping. If light sneaks through your window frame, sounds laughing at you, plug those cracks. Mistake 2, using foam panels only. Foam's great for echoes, but it's like using a paper towel to stop a tsunami. Add mass-loaded vinyl or extra drywall with green glue to block that neighbor's drum practice. Mistake 3 is ignoring the floor. Footsteps above sound like a T-Rex tap dancing. Lay down a thick rug with foam underlay or soundproof mats to hush those stomps. Mistake 4, ventilation oopsies. Your soundproof room needs to breathe, but open vents are noise highways. Use soundproof vents or flexible ducting to keep air flowing and sound out. Finally, not testing. Don't just hope it works, record or listen. If your dog's bark still crashes the party, add more caulk or foam where it's sneaking in. Avoid these goofs and your room will be quieter than a mime's monologue. Want more tips? Like, subscribe, and tell us your soundproofing wins or fails in the comments.